How to check email password. Hi everyone, I'm Hatsu60. Today, without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome. Here, click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Settings in here. After you're in Settings, you'll find Passwords and Autofill. Below that, you'll find Google Password Manager. Click on it. After you click on Google Password Manager, here scroll down and you'll find all your mails. Simply select your mail. After you've selected the mail, you can simply click on the eye icon and open your password and see your password as you want. And this is how to check email password. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.